So here we are at the Canterbury Shaker Village, overlooking the Turning Mill Pond. Gorgeous place to visit. And down that way, south, was the old mill where they milled lumber. And that brings me to a common question people ask is, hey, where do you get your lumber? Well, one of the best places is actually somebody who has one of those portable sawmills, or if you happen to have a local sawmill, you can get amazing material local to the area and often at a great price. The only complication is that usually dealing with air-dried wood, and you got to make sure it's good and dry. In that case, I usually bring it inside, and if you can put it up in an attic or something, for a summer, it can really dry out and be good and ready for using. You want to get it down to about 8% moisture content. So that's one place you can find a lot of affordability by looking around the area. And another great resource is Marketplace on Facebook. You'll find a lot of people who are milling their own wood, and you can go ahead and check that out, find some good deals. I love those little horse trades in and around town. Then of course you can go to a hardwood lumber dealer, which is the most convenient and reliable source of kiln dried stable wood. I love, as many of you know, Goose Bay Lumber, which is right here in Chichester, New Hampshire. It's so close to me. I'm really spoiled to have it that close. You've got an incredible assortment of hardwoods there and great softwoods like the native eastern white pine around here, which the Shakers used a lot of. All of their drawer boxes were 1/2-inch eastern white pine. Beautiful hand-cut dovetails, all that. But you can also get exotic woods at these places like Goose Bay, and little turning billets, types of woods you'd never had access to any other way but through a source like them. So those are my two main sources. There is also reclaimed wood. You can use things over again. I've had a lot of fun buying just barn beams and resawing them and making incredible already old looking furniture. Remember, one of my favorite projects was a sleigh bed like piece made out of chestnut beams, salvaged from an old 1800 barn. And what a blast. And to work with that kind of wood that's not available anymore. The sources are endless. And here we are at this gorgeous setting here in Canterbury, New Hampshire. The sun is going down on a beautiful summer evening. The bugs are out. The birds are chirping. What a night.